Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we will be solving another very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate x power 7. If x is cube root of square root 4050 plus square root 4000 over square root 50. So let's get started by writing x equal to cube root of. Now we can factor 4050 as 50 times 81. Factors of 4000, 50 times 80. Denominator is square root 50. Now we know that square root AB, we can write square root A times square root B. So x we can write cube root of square root 50 times square root 81 plus square root 50 times square root 80 over square root 50. Now we can take square root 50 common from the numerator. So in the bracket we'll have square root 81 plus square root 80 over square root 50. Now square root 50 will be cancelled out. We will get x equal to cube root of square root 81 plus square root 80. Now square root 81 is 9. So we can write here x equal to cube root of square root 81, we can write directly 9, and square root 80 would be 4 square root 5. Now we have to calculate x power 7. So I can write cube root of 9 plus 4 root 5 whole power 7. Now we know that a power b whole power c, we can write a power b times c. So here I can write 9 plus 4 root 5 whole power will be 7 over 3. So x power 7 we can write 9 plus 4 root 5, 7 over 3. We can split 6 plus 1 over 3. Then we can write 9 plus 4 root 5 and 6 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So 6 over 3 is 2. So we can write 9 plus 4 root 5. Power will be 2 plus 1 over 3. Now a power b plus c is nothing but a power b times a power c. So I can write x power 7 will become 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square times 9 plus 4 root 5 whole power 1 over 3, or x power 7 will become 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square times cube root of 9 plus 4 root 5. Let us find out 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square, then we will calculate cube root also. So if I will write 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square using formula, so this will become 9 square plus 4 root 5 whole square plus 2 times 9 times 4 root 5. Or we can write 81 plus 80 plus 18 times 4, 72 root 5. So 81 plus 80 is 161 plus 72 square root 5. This is our whole square expansion. Now the turn of finding cube root. I will call that cube root is a. Let's write here a equal to cube root of 9 plus 4 root 5. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So we will get a cube equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. And if I will check the value of a cube, it is 9 there. So I can write a cube must be greater than 8 and it should be less than 27 as root 5 is 2.23. So I can conclude a must lie in the interval 2 and 3. So our answer will be in the interval 2 and 3. So I can write a cube equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. Let us assume b cube also, which is conjugate of a cube. So 9 minus 4 root 5. Now we can add these two equations. So we will have a cube plus b cube equal to 18. I will call this is our first equation. Let's multiply both also. So a cube times b cube will be equal to 9 plus 4 root 5 times 9 minus 4 root 5. So we can use difference of two squares identity. So 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square, which will be equal to 81 minus 80. So this difference is coming out 1. Or we can write ab whole cube equal to 1, or we can write 1 cube also. So for real ab value, once we will take cube root both sides, we will get ab equal to 1. Let's say this is equation number 2. Equation 1 is a cube plus b cube equal to 18. Let's solve. So I will write here a cube plus b cube equal to 18. A times b equal to 1. Now I will consider a plus b, let us say m. And using algebraic identity a plus b whole cube, we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab in the bracket a plus b. So a plus b is m, so m cube. A cube plus b cube is 18 plus 3 times ab is 1, a plus b is m. So we can write m cube equal to 18 plus 3m, or m cube minus 3m minus 18 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. I will solve using method of factorization. So I can write m cube minus 3m. Let's split minus 18 as minus 27 plus 9 equal to 0. So I can write m cube minus 27 and then minus 3m plus 9 equal to 0. Or we can write m cube minus 3 cube and then minus 3m plus 9 equal to 0. Let us write m cube minus 3 cube minus 3m plus 9 equal to 0. Now here we can apply a cube minus b cube identity. So I will write m minus 3 times m square plus 3m plus 9. And here I will take minus 3 common. So we will get m minus 3 in the bracket equal to 0. Now m minus 3. Let's take common. So in the bracket we'll have m square plus 3m plus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write m minus 3 times m square plus 3m plus 6 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either m minus 3 will be 0 or this quadratic equation m square plus 3m plus 6 will be 0. For quadratic, I will check only the discriminant value. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. So I will write 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 6. So this is 9 minus 24. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions. So I can reject quadratic equation. This will be rejected. So m minus 3 equal to 0. From here I can write m equal to 3. Now m was our substitution. This was a plus b equal to 3. And our second equation was ab equal to 1. So for this system, I will consider one quadratic equation whose roots are a and b. Then this is sum of roots. This is product of roots. We can frame one quadratic in a itself will be a square minus sum of roots, which is 3 times a plus product of roots, which is 1 equal to 0. So we have to solve this quadratic for our a value. So I will write a square minus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. Let's use quadratic formula. So I can write a will be equal to minus b. So 3 plus minus is square root of b square. So 9 minus 4ac. So minus 4 over 2a. So 2 equal to 3 plus minus is square root 5 over 2. So I can write two values, 3 plus root 5 over 2 and 3 minus root 5 over 2. If I will write approximate value, then this is 2.6 and this is 0.39. And condition on A was it should be in the interval 2 and 3. So we are going to reject this one. So our accepted A will be 3 plus square root 5 over 2. Now we have to evaluate E or expression x power 7. This was whole square. So let me write here 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square times a, which was cube root of 9 plus 4 root 5. Let us write both the values. So this was 161 plus 72 root 5 and cube root is 3 plus root 5 over 2. Now we have to multiply only. So x power 7 will become half times 161 times 3. Let us multiply, write individual terms. So value will be 483 plus 360 plus 161 root 5 plus 216 root 5. Once I will sum up, I will get 843 plus 377 square root 5 over 2. This will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.